Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with one more campus update for you all. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon in order to get all our updates regularly and instantly. Yes, so dear students, we are pleased to inform you that we, Profound EduTech, are arranging Mega Campus by Excel Dynamics for 2021, 2020, 2019 and the previous batches. This is the same campus that we had posted earlier, approximately a couple of months ago, but we are reposting it for the students who are new here and have not applied yet. So this is a short introduction about Excel Dynamics. Excel Dynamics, it was established in 2002. They provide IT, audit and quality control outsourcing solutions to their clientele in the US mortgage industry. Their experience in financial services and the mortgage banking industry with a blend of technology enables them to provide the most efficient and cost-effective services to their customers. To find more details about them, please visit their website, which is www.exceldynamics.com. So as mentioned, we, Profound EduTech, are arranging Mega Campus by Excel Dynamics, and these are the details about eligibility and criteria. The freshers as well as professionals of 2021 batch, 2020 batch, 2019 batch, and so on till 2014 batch are eligible to apply for this position. The candidates can be from any graduate or post-graduation degree, right from BE, BTech, MBA, BBA, BCA, BCS, MCA, etc. The 2021 batch students who are applying, they are eligible only if they are available to join immediately, and they will have to submit undertaking as well as permission from the college. The job position they are offering is financial analysts, and the salary is up to 7 lakhs per annum. Job locations, they are across India at various cities like Bengaluru, Chennai, Mysuru, Kochi, Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, Noida, Indore, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Jaipur, Guwahati, and etc. This is the selection process, the details of selection process. The process is going to be virtual. First, you will be appearing for online test. It will be an aptitude test based on your numerical ability and verbal ability, reasoning ability, etc. You can appear for this test from your home itself. Once you register for this drive, you will receive an email regarding the online test from Excel Dynamics within few days once you register. So make sure you are regularly checking your mails and appear for the test once you receive it. And once you are able to clear the online test, then you will have online interviews. So to get more details about this particular campus drive and to apply for it, please visit the given URL, which is bit.ly/profoundjobs. I repeat, it's bit.ly/profoundjobs, all alphabets in uppercase. So ensure that the URL that you are entering in the address bar is as given, because it is case sensitive. So please note that the URL is case sensitive and make sure that you enter the correct one in the address bar of your browser. Thank you for watching the video. We hope that you are finding all our videos useful and helpful for you. So Profound EduTech, we are predominantly top IT training and placement company. Along with quality trainings, we are very well known for strong placement support that we offer to our trained students. So enroll today for our popular courses, which are full stack developer, Java, .NET, testing, Python, data science, machine learning, etc. and get 100% guaranteed placement support. We launch new batches almost every week, every fortnight, and we have new batches coming up in December 2020. So for more details about our courses, you may call on 89830-12051 or 52. This is the snapshot of our most popular course, which is full stack Java developer course, which contains your fundamentals, programming fundamentals, right from C++, database, voice networking, Then we have Java track where we cover core Java, web-based Java and frameworks as well, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, etc. Then we also have front-end part in the form of responsive web design and Angular 7. We also cover Express.js, Node.js, MongoDB. Python programming is covered along with software testing. You also have project. You also get complementary aptitude and soft skill sessions, which helps you to prepare for your interviews as well. This is the similar course in software testing, which is Advanced Diploma in Software Testing, which covers both manual testing as well as advanced automation testing. So in order to get the details and contents of these courses, please visit our website profoundedutech.com. These are the highlights of our courses. All the courses, all the trainings that we conduct, they are live trainings conducted by senior trainers. Yes, the trainings that we conduct, they are live trainings. They are not pre-recorded trainings. So here, the trainers, the experts, they are in front of you. And since they are live trainings, it makes it possible to have a lot of interaction between the trainer and the students, which helps to solve all the queries, questions, doubts immediately. We also cover multiple technologies and programming languages in the same course. As you have seen in the full stack Java developer course, we cover fundamentals, Java track, Angular, web design, Python testing, etc. So which helps you to explore more placement opportunities as well. We give a lot of importance to hands-on approach, and we have daily assignments which we provide to you. Whatever you learn, you implement it on real world projects. In the labs also, we have lab trainers who guide you in the assignments, etc. And most importantly, we offer daily exclusive campus drives to our trained students in Java, Angular, testing, .NET, Python, data science, etc. So the campus drives which you are coming across like Deloitte or Excel Dynamics or Oros, these open campus drives, they constitute hardly 5 to 10% of the drives that we arrange. Rest all the campus drives, they are only for our trained students. Remaining all 90-95% of drives, campus drives that we arrange, they are only for our trained students. So in order to get the details and updates about us, please be in touch with us on all our social platforms. We are available on Facebook. Please like our Facebook page, to which we have 51,000 plus likes, where we keep posting all our updates regularly. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel on the given link. You may find us on Telegram as well. And as far as website is concerned, it's www.profoundedutech.com. Below are the contact details. If you are willing to get more details about our courses, please do contact on these given numbers. So thank you once again for watching this video, and hope to see you soon with one more once again.